but the final trim ensures every unit matches exact size standards. The gold filters are made on a separate line, engineered for uniform airline and structure, which Avili filters are aligned and attached with perfect timing. No manual handling needed. The tipping paper seals everything together in one clean, controlled motion. Quality control happens constantly, with humans supervising the automation, not touching the product directly. With the powerful filtration keeps the air clean and the production area spotless. But the next comes the paper, loaded in massive rolls to support non-stop production. The machine rolls and seals it instantly, perfect shape, perfect density. Different tobacco blends are mixed using programmed formulas to keep flavor and texture consistent. Novin moisture levels are monitored to maintain stable quality during storage and packaging. The loader fills each pack with perfect alignment at incredible speed. The Tivli outer wraps are applied with perfect placement using laser-guided alignment. In Vuzokludvunt, the robotic pushers stack and insert packs with zero misalignment.
Cases are packed by robots that never slow down and never lose accuracy.
And of Bunasund, every pallet is tracked digitally, from production line to storage location. This means the Creve machines even clean themselves to maintain hygiene and performance. But this is industrial speed at its peak, precision and scale working together.
From the outside it looks calm, but inside, it never stops.
See, high-speed cameras inspect every piece faster than the human eye can track, as everything flows into one main production, fast, clean, and perfectly timed. From this side of the feeding system delivers the exact amount needed, no waste, no guesswork. As you can see, the tobacco is spread evenly, forming a continuous rod in one uninterrupted flow.
Then it's cut into precise lengths, thousands of perfect pieces per minute.
As everything flows into one main production, fast, clean, and perfectly timed. Pack shells are formed from flat blanks in seconds, folded with machine-level accuracy.
Each pack is closed, compressed, and checked. No loose edges allowed.
Storage bins to their packs are grouped into cartons, built automatically from raw cardboard sheets.
The shrink wrapping locks everything in place and protects it during shipping.
Each pallet is wrapped tight for stability and long-distance transport. But where even the people follow strict clean protocols, this factory runs like a clean room. And from this control center, the entire factory is monitored like a living system. The fact of shipping is automated too. Products move out as smoothly as they were made. And that's the full step-by-step process inside a modern cigarette factory, fully automated from start to finish.
Opening the sprouts. One of the weight checks confirm consistent filling. Every pack depends on precision.
After processing, it's stored in sealed silos, ready for the high-speed rolling machines. Laser guidance keeps the paper perfectly aligned at extreme speeds. Unembedded smart sensors check density in real time and correct any variation instantly.
Temperature and humidity are controlled with precision, so the material stays consistent at every stage.
This is now the finished product moves into the packaging zone, fully automated and extremely fast.
Foil wrapping seals freshness and protects the contents during transport.
And every label and code is verified for accuracy before it moves forward. Test your packaging. The tub cartons are sealed cleanly and securely, ready for outer wrapping. Palletizing turns thousands of units into organized loads within minutes. This autonomous vehicles move product quietly and safely across the facility. Inspection robots check the equipment constantly, preventing downtime before it happens. Finished pallets are stored in massive clean warehouses, ready for distribution. This is a fully synchronized system built for speed, cleanliness, and precision. Anything imperfect is removed automatically. Only the best moves forward. Every batch is scanned, weighed, and verified by sensors before it even enters production.
This is where it all begins.
a spotless high-tech tobacco facility running like a machine city.